Arigato gozaimasu. Ladies and gentlemen, Sushi Jello shots. Okay, so we start off with some coconut milk. Beautiful. Follow that coconut milk with some gelatin. Beautiful. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, come behind that with some coconut rum. This is an awesome creation, okay? Haters are gonna hate, but you got to have your sushi. Stir, stir, stir. Now we pour it in the pan. Beautiful. Okay? Put it in the freezer, not in the freezer, in the fridge. Now look at that. We put a little Swedish fish on it. You're just measuring it out, okay? Beautiful. And this acts as our rice. So you break one out. And we get some fruit roll-ups to act as our, what would that be? Rice paper? Seaweed. Our seaweed paper, okay? Put our Swedish fish on. Put our little seaweed paper on that. Ooh, look at that sushi. This one's really creative. Get your chopsticks. That's what I'm talking about. Stay tipsy.